antonymes, or then it's also possible to call them les contraires. Okay, and we'll see especially les antonymes au contraire that will start with a prefix mal or mais. Okay, so first thing that we should see together is what is an antonym or un contraire. Well, in English it would be translated by antonym or opposite. Okay, and so we'll see in this lesson first the antonym that will start with mal, and then after that we'll see the ones that will start with mais. Okay, so let's concentrate first on the mal. And so first example, quite interesting, and it's heureux here. Okay, so you can see the translation in English here in green. Heureux. Okay, and so if you want to make the opposite, le contraire, l'antonyme, then you just put this mal and then heureux, malheureux. All right, so heureux will give you malheureux. All right, second example, honnête, honnête, and then exactly the same rule, so malhonnête, malhonnête, so honnête, malhonnête. Habile, habile will give you malhabile, malhabile. Okay, so habile, and then you just put this mal, malhabile. Adroit, adroit will give you maladroit. Okay, so quite simple, adroit and then maladroit. So now let's see the one that will start with mais. Okay, and the first one is content. Okay, so I did put the feminine form here like that. So content, masculine form. Of course, if you put the feminine form, then you will have to add this and then phonetically it will be a bit different. It will be contente. Okay, so masculin content, féminin contente. All right, and then if you want to put the opposite or construct the opposite, so you will get this mais, mécontent, or then the feminine form, mécontente. Okay, so content, mécontent, and then the feminine, contente, mécontente. All right. Connu, so exactly the same thing. I did put the feminine form here, but then phonetically it doesn't exist. You don't pronounce it, so it will be the same form phonetically for the masculine form and the feminine form. Connu. Okay, so connu, and then it will give you méconnu. Okay, connu, méconnu.